I think recording is okay.
Okay, fine. Okay, so good evening all. I hope everyone knows about the Cowais Ecoversity and Cowais Foundation, but anyhow, I just want to give a brief introduction of it. Cowais Foundation, we are doing so many social activities like Native Village Development Program and giving trainings and developing the villages and farmers basically. Under Cowais Ecoversity, we have Infed School as well as Farm School. In Farm School, we are giving the trainings related to agriculture and farmers. And in Infant School, we are giving the trainings and people are presenting in the areas which they are interested in. Like we had a session from Bhavan, Deepashri, and other guys also. And now today, Lekna, she is going to present about Carnatic music. We all love music. There are around, in Tamil, we'll tell there are around 64 arts. So Carnatic, I mean, music is one of the arts in those. So we are very eager to hear from Lekna about the evolution of Carnatic music and her passion in that. So I would like to invite Deepashri to give an introduction about Lekna.
Deepashri, now I'm going to give a short introduction about Lekna. Since she was one, she used to hear the songs of famous Carnatic singers and some devotional songs. At the age of 3, she started learning a few shlokas and a few songs. Age of 5, she started to really understand what music is. She started learning songs relevant to her age at 6. A few months later, she started to go to Carnatic singing classes under her guru, SMT Lalita Vishwanathan. A few days later, she joined ISKCON classes in which we learned shlokas, Vaishya, bhajans and kirtans. Now she is currently 10 years old. She has 4 years of experience learning and singing Carnatic music. A recent competition and exams was the House Day in January where she placed second. Yesterday, she attempted a Bridge Academy exam, which is held in Tamil Nadu, India. She has done 2 exams at ISKCON and another one she'll attempt soon. She has also started piano recently. She has also participated in Suswara Sangeeta Vedika World Music Day in 2021 and 2020. When she grows up, she aspires to be a singer. Now I give over to Miss Lekna.
Thank you, Deepashri. A very good evening to dear friends, respected teachers and elders who are present here. I'm Lekna and I'm a student from JSS Private School, Dubai. Today in this session, I will introduce to you all about music. Please feel free to share your feedback and queries in the end of the session. Let us get started. I would sincerely thank Surya Narmada ma'am, Viveka ma'am, and my dear friend Deepashri for giving this wonderful opportunity. In this session, we will cover the introduction to music. How can we enjoy music? Introduction to Carnatic and Hindustani music. What happens to your body when you listen to music? Fun facts about music and a short bhajan in the end. So our first and main question, what is music? Do we have any answers from the audience?
Yeah, excuse me. Yeah, music is something that that keeps our mind calm and it makes our life joyful. That's called music.
Okay, that's a good answer. Yes, Deepashri, what you were telling?
I had the same answer.
Okay. Music is an art that puts sound together with no language barrier in a way that people like or find interesting. Most music includes people singing with their voices or playing musical instruments like the piano, guitar, or drums. Someone who makes music is a musician. How can we enjoy music? There are 3 main ways that we can enjoy music. Firstly is listening. People can listen to music They can go to concert halls to listen musicians perform. Classical music is usually performed in concert halls, but some huge festivals are organized in which it is performed outside, like in a field or a stadium. Nowadays, people can listen music in CDs, computers, iPods, and even mobile phones due to the technology available. There is so much music today in elevators, shopping malls, and stores that it often became a background music noise to hear. Sometimes it's really good to listen to it, as we can hear the different instruments which are being played and what type of notes the instrument is playing. Secondly, we can enjoy music by playing or singing. People can learn to play the instrument. The most common for the complete beginners are the piano, keyboard, the guitar, or the recorder. People should choose an instrument that they enjoy playing because regular practice is the only way to get better and the key to success. Thirdly, we can enjoy music by composing. Anyone can make up his or her own pieces of music. It is not difficult to compose easy or simple songs or melodies. It is very easy for people who can play an instrument themselves. All it takes to experimenting with the sounds what the instrument makes. Someone can just make up a piece that tells a story, or just find a nice tune and think about ways when the line gets repeated. The tune when the line gets repeated. The instrument can be someone's own voice. Now let us have a short introduction about classical Carnatic music. So what is Carnatic music? So Carnatic music is a system of music commonly associated and practiced in the southern parts of India, including the modern states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Sri Lanka. Carnatic music originated in the Bhakti movement. It was evolved mainly by Shyama Shastri, Tyagaraja, Muthuswami Dikshitar, Saint Purandaradasa, and Saint Purandaradasa. It has 72 fundamental ragas and only one particular prescribed style of singing. Now, all of you may wonder, is that only Carnatic music in India? Well, the answer is no. There is another type of music called as the Hindustani music. Hindustani music originated during the Vedic period. It is mainly followed in the northern parts of India, in the modern states of Maharashtra, Assam, Kolkata, Odisha, Delhi, etc. It was even being seen in Pakistan and Afghanistan. It has 6 major ragas and has several substyles. It was mostly evolved by Tansen, Haridas, Mansingh, Faizi, etc. Now, I have made a short video on some of the fun facts on music.
Lekma, you have audio for this video because we are not able to hear the sound.
Auntie, there's actually no, I just kept some little bit of music.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Rekha, kindly unmute yourself, no?
I hope all of you have understood the 5 facts. Now, let us understand what happens to your body when you listen music. Now, I made a small activity. So these are like parts of the body or parts of the brain. So basically the audience has to identify what part is it, and I will explain. All right, so let us start with this. Any answer? No? It's not a hand.
Palm.
No, not a palm either.
Physical balance.
No.
Heart?
Auntie, can you repeat?
Is it heart?
No. I'm asking about the first one.
Lekna is talking. Come, you want to listen?
Okay, I'm telling it out. The answer is skin. So you experience physical senses on your skin in response of the particularly moving like music. So the second one.
Brain.
Close, somewhere close. What's the function of the brain? One function.
Storage? I mean memory?
Yeah,
Save.
memory. So when you listen to music, you can recall memories. So because there's this chemical called dopamine, it's a substance that plays a very important role in your body to transfer, like to get to improving your memory and also and to recalling your memories. The third one.
Vocal cord.
It's not related to music or
Like
something.
it overcomes the stage fear.
No. But somewhere close.
Confidence?
No. It all comes under whatever words I get. So basically, I'll give a hint. So basically, this girl is performing. So what do you think it is?
Practice.
No.
Performance.
Singer.
Yeah. Performance, but there's a word before that.
Stage performance.
No.
Singing performance.
No, it's not related to singing or any fine arts.
Personality development you're talking about?
Close.
Mhm.
Okay, I'm giving her the answer. It is work performance. You perform better on spatial tasks and also many of uniform tests.
Yeah.
The third one. So basically, this man is happy. So what do you think it is?
Peace of mind?
Peace.
No. So basically, happiness, sad, it depends on your brain. So what is it?
Emotions.
Close.
Feelings.
Close. Like the synonym, another synonym.
Moods.
Moods? Yeah. Mood is the right answer. When you listen to like beating, like upbeat music, your mood improves. It's boosted because of the release of the feel-good neurochemical dopamine. Okay, this one I think most of you know it. We see in hospitals.
Heart.
A cardio.
The whole
A blood
pressure.
Heart rate?
Heart rate.
It's blood pressure.
Blood pressure.
So basically, your blood pressure falls or rises depending on the speed, whatever speed of the song are you listening, and the type of music you listen to. Your blood pressure falls or rises. The last one. So
Yoga.
not yoga. So basically, it's just showing about your ability.
Physical balance.
Close.
Meditation, something like that.
No, you have an ability to do what? Basically,
Balancing.
no. Actually, close. Yeah.
Energy.
Close.
Motivation.
ability to do our day-to-day activities in a better way?
Yeah, actually the answer is exercisability, because you push harder and more longer in your workout. Whatever workouts you do in your exercises, because of the music, effort on your physical capacity and your arousal.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm going to sing a song. Can I stop my screen sharing?
Yeah.
Okay. Just a minute. Still shows that I'm sharing. So I am going to sing Dolayam Chale Dolayam. Can I keep a Shruti? Is that fine? Like the background music?
Yeah, no issues.
Dolayam Chale Dolayam Hare Dolayam 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 Neelakurma Varaha Mrigapati Avatara Neelakurma Varaha Mrigapati Avatara Danavare Guna Saure Dharani Dhara Marujanakadan Vare Guna Saure Dharani Dhara Marujanakadolayam Chala Dolayam Hara Dolayam Vamana Rama Rama Vara Krishna Avatara Vamana Rama Rama Vara Krishna Avatara Shyamalanga Ranga Ranga Shyamalanga Ranga Ranga Samajavarada Muraharan Shyamalanga Ranga Ranga Samajavarada Muraharan Dolayam Chala Dolayam Hara Dolayam Daruna Buddha Kalki Dashavita Avatara Daruna Buddha Kalki Dashavita Avatara Shirabane Kosamane Shri Venkatagiri Putanilaya Shirabane Kosamane Shri Venkatagiri Putanilaya Dolayam Chala Dolayam Hara Dolayam. Thank you.
Very nice, Likhna. It was a wonderful performance. So, still your presentation is there?
No, auntie, just the queries and answers.
Okay. So, from the audience, if anyone has any queries or any feedback, you're welcome to ask.
Yeah, Deepashri.
So it was was very nice. As a friend, I like down and all when we play, she doesn't sing these songs. So now when I'm listening to Carnatic songs, then I get it that she really has a love to music. Because down we sing English songs. She sings songs, whatever she got prize and all English. So now I really loved it.
Okay.
Okay.
So anyone else, if you have any queries or if you have any feedback about the sessions, you're free to tell that. Okay. Fine. If there are no queries, I would like Lekna's parents to give a feedback about this session, how they felt.
Hello, ma'am. A very good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Firstly, I'm very much thankful to basically Deepu's three parents. Firstly, getting connected Lekana to this wonderful platform. As far as I understand, this is the first ever a platform away from the school academic presentations, wherein she got involved to basically present what she has been learning as extracurricular activity, which actually a self-interest which has come from her own, because we don't come from the music family at all. And it's something that, she has got that liking towards the whole thing. So grateful to the teacher Lalita madam here in Dubai. And this wonderful opportunity is me as a parent watching Lekana presenting at this age. It gives immense pleasure for me and my wife, and really grateful. And I'm looking forward. Yes, she has tried to present it with confidence. There's a lot of opportunity for the improvement, as we all know. But end of the day, as a parent, I can only say that I'm blessed that every child who are actually sitting over there, everybody is a gifted from the God, and each one of you have their own talent, and everybody is unique in every way. So I'm thankful to you all for taking your valuable time sitting in India as well. And it's something that it's really feel that very grateful to one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yes, Priya, do you have anything to tell?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. He's spoken everything. It's fine. Thank you for you, and especially for the Deepusri and you too, and Deepusri aunt as well as it's really actually this whole effort on her only really helps very too. And whatever she's in mind, she just expose herself. That's all. Then it's really, I'm very happy as a mother. I'm very happy, and thanks to you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you both for your lovely feedback. And as you said, it's a platform for the kids to express their talents, whatever it may be, and it will improve your confidence in presentation for sure. And we are looking forward for more sessions from Lekna.
Sure, definitely.
Thank you. So
Okay.
anyone else has feedback, audience? If you want to tell anything. Okay, if there is no feedback, then I would invite Bhavan for singing the song. He is also ready with a classical song.
So hello guys, my name is Bhavan and I'm also a Carnatic singer. I have been practicing Carnatic music for the past 5 years. So today I'm gonna sing the Pallavi of Shri Viknarajam Bhaje. Shri Viknarajam Bhaje, Shri Viknarajam Bhaje, Shri Viknarajam Bhaje, Shri Viknarajam Bhaje. Santatamaham Kunjaramugam शङ्करसुतं तमिह श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे शङ्खतमहं कुञ्जरमुखम् शङ्करसुतं तमिह श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे सन्ततमहं दन्तिसुन्दरमुखम् अन्तघातकसुतं तमिह श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे सन्ततमहं दन्तिसुन्दरमुखम् अन्तघातकसुतं तमिह श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे. Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you, Bhavan. It was wonderful. And anyone else, if you want to sing a song, even the parents, adults, whoever in the session are welcome. So if you want to express your singing talent, you can do it over here. Anyone there?
Okay. Actually, it's an opportunity.
Yeah. Abhi, do you want to sing?
Vinaya version, no?
Yeah.
Sorry?
Do you want to sing a song?
No.
Hello?
Okay.
Yes.
One minute.
Because you're also learning Carnatic music, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kamalajata Vimala Sunayana Karivarata Karuna Karuna Charate Kamala Kanta Kesi Naraka Suravipetana Bharata Veda Surapurotana Karuna Charate Kanta.
Auntie, can I sing another song? If it is okay?
Yes, Lekhna, sure.
Yeah, I learned this song by my own. It's called Nirvana Shatakam. It's related to Shiva, Lord Shiva.
Okay.
मनोबद्धहंकार चित्तानि नाहं न च श्रोत्रजिह्वे न च ज्ञाननेत्रे न च व्योमभौमेन तेजो न वायुः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं न च प्राणसंज्ञो न वै पञ्चवायु न वा सप्तधातुर्न वा पञ्चकोश न वा पाणिपादां न चोपाष्टपायु चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं न मे द्वेषरागो न मे लोभमोहु न मे वैमदो नैव मत्सार्यभाव न धर्मो न चातो न कामो न मोक्ष चिदानन्दरूप Chidanandarupa Shivoham Shivoham Chidanandarupa Shivoham Shivoham Chidanandarupa Shivoham Shivoham Na punyam na papam na saukam na dukkam na mantro na titam na veda na yajna aham bhojanam neva bhojam na bhokta Chidanandarupa Shivoham Shivoham Chidanandarupa Shivoham Shivoham Chidanandarupa Shivoham Shivoham Name mrityu sanka na bejati beda Pita neva me neva mata na janma na bandhur na mitram gurur neva shishya Chidanandarupa Shivoham Shivoham Chidanandarupa Shivoham Shivoham Chidanandarupa Shivoham Shivoham Aham nirvikalpo nirakara rupo Vibhutva cha sarvata sarvendrihanam na cha sangatam neva muktirna meha Chidanandarupa Shivoham Shivoham Chidanandarupa Shivoham Shivoham Chidanandarupa Shivoham Shivoham.
Thank you, Lekhna. It
Yeah,
was
hello,
quite-
excuse me, aunty.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Bhavana.
could I just sing a few lines of one song?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. So this song I dedicate to all the wonderful mothers in this world, which was sung by the world greatest singer KG Yesudas sir. வேறில்லாத மரம் போல் என்னை நீ பூமியில் நட்டாயே ஊர்க்கண் எந்த மேலே பட்டால் உன் உயிர் நோக துடித்தாயே உலகத்தின் பந்தங்கள் எல்லாம் நீ சொல்லி தந்தாயே பிறப்புக்கும் இறப்புக்கும் இடையில் வழி நடத்தி சென்றாய் உனக்கே ஒரு தொட்டில் கட்டி நானே தாயாய் மாறிட வேண்டும் ஆராரிராரோ நான் இங்கே பாட தாயே நீ கண்ணுறங்கு என்னோட மடி சாய்ந்து தாய் சொல்கின்ற வார்த்தைகள் எல்லாம் நோய் தீர்க்கின்ற மருந்தல்லவா மண் பொன் மேலே ஆசை துறந்த கண் தூங்காத உயிரல்லவா
என்னம்மா
ஆழத்தின் கணக்குகள் சிறவாகும் வரவும் நீ சுழல்கின்ற பூமியின் மேலே சுழலாத பூமியும் நீ இறைவா நீ ஆணையிடு தாயே எந்த மகளாய் மாற அரறிறாரோ நான் இங்கே பாட தாயே நீ கண்ணுறங்கு என்னோட மடி சாய்ந்து. Thank you.
Wonderful, Bhavan. Thank you for that. And thank you, Lekhna. Thank you, Abhinaya. Your song was also very awesome. Before I could tell something, the next has started. So your song was very good. Wonderful, Abhi, because we haven't informed you also. See, on the spot you have sung it. Thank you for that. And thank you, Bhavan. Thank you, everyone. And now Deepashri, she wants to tell one shloka, and then after that we can move towards the quiz.
So this is the shloka which Lord Krishna has told to Arjuna. Iti te jnanam akyatam guhyat guhyataram maya vrimrishyaitat asheshena yatte chasi tata kuru. Translation, this shloka means, thus Krishna is saying, thus I have explained to you knowledge still more confidential. Deliberate on this fully and then do what you wish to do.
Okay, Deepashri, Thank you. So I guess now we can go to the quiz.
Viveka, just a minute. Dr. Maharasan, whether you are having any points from actually, Dr. Maharasan is an associate professor. So from his point of view, how this program is going, is it okay? Or how the kids are performing like that? Can you tell some words, Maharasan? Because actually he's a college professor, so I like to have some feedback from him.
Sure.
Maharasan?
First of all, congratulations to the kids who have did a very nice performance today. It was very nice, and hope my voice is audible now.
Yeah.
Thank you. And um, as it was mentioned in the previous program and this program, it is one of the unique kind of platform where we have children to exhibit their skills and to coordinate with the different teams, different people from across the globe. That is what I have to say. And today's program is very fine, where I didn't expect this kind of fine rendition by the kids. It was very nice. And what I observe here is the interest with which the kids are coming forward for exhibiting their talents and to discuss with the participants. That is a very good character, which will definitely make them to have a bright future. When I say bright future, probably they'll be able to collaborate well when they come to the higher studies and to the corporate world or to the real world. That is what I feel here, and I'm very happy on hearing seeing the performance of the kids. That's what I would like to say. And last week also, I was listening to the quiz part, and eagerly I am waiting for this week also to have a you know to
Yeah,
to see how the kids are participating in the quiz.
sure.
It was very nice, and congratulations, children. You all have a lot of things to achieve in the near future. Looking forward for more and more performance from all of you. That's what I would like to say.
Thank you, Maharasan.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Surya.
Thank you for your encouraging words. Actually, Maharasan and myself are schoolmates.
Okay. Sorry to do that.
And I think actually today we have seen the divinity in that. That is the thing. Okay. I think the title is the divine path of music. Through music, we have seen divinity in their minds. Okay. When they sang this song, all have gone to some world. Okay. The divine world, and they sang in their own mindset. Okay, that is the most important thing, and you have brought the divinity to this platform today, and you all kids, may God bless you all, and you have to come up with very good flying colors. So our praise will be always there for you kids. And I think Viveka, you can start this program.
Sure.
We are also eagerly waiting. Whether we knew the answer or not, okay, we have to enjoy that.
Yes. So everyone, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, Aunty.
Yeah. So the first one, we have ragas and talas in music, right? So since everyone is aware of, have some knowledge on that, I have taken from that. Rag Nanda falls under which raga? Yes.
You can unmute yourself and you can.
Yes.
Rag Nanda falls under which raga?
Saranam Ragam.
Any other answers? Bhavan, Lekna, Abhi.
I think it is Sampurna.
Sankirna Raga. So Ragnanta falls under Sankirna Raga. Okay. So let's move on to the next. Which aspect of Indian classical music speak of its greatness? In music, there are so many peculiarity aspects you'll be talking about. So which aspect speaks about its greatness?
Carnatic.
Not Carnatic, actually. What to tell? There are so many aspects of music. I'm not talking about the types of music.
Okay.
So
Is it
one of-
ragas and talas? Ragas and talas?
No.
Devotional service to God. Like basically because all the compositions are like some of the compositions are in praise of
Bhajans.
No. Okay. See, secularity. See, because as she told, as Lekna told in her presentation, music is not bound to any language, any religion, any region or anything. It is secular to everyone. So the secularity is the one which speaks about the greatness of the music.
basically anti-secularism, like we have in India.
Exactly. We'll tell, right, India is a secular country because we don't have any partiality among the religions or regions or anything. The same thing, music, it is not talking about India only, it is talking about the world. So that is the greatness of music. So next one. What form is synonymous to opera? All of you know opera? Yes or no? What form is synonymous to opera?
Yeah, opera is something there is just like an open program or something done, like mostly done in Italy or the European countries.
Exactly. So another one form is there which is synonymous to opera.
Concerts.
Singing.
Concert halls.
No. Think. No, even the parents and also can participate.
Is it called opus?
Ballet. So ballet is synonym. I mean, it is synonymous to opera. Fine. So the next one. How many talas are originally prevalent in Hindustani music?
5.
No.
7.
No. How many talas are originally prevalent in Hindustani music?
16.
Any other guess?
32, I think.
Any other guess?
2.
No,
32.
dear. 10. So in Hindustani music, we have 10 talas. In Carnatic music, how many talas do we have?
7.
7 talas, right. So
Seven.
likewise, in Hindustani music, we have 10 talas. So what are the 7 talas? Can I hear from anyone?
Yeah, like I know it. Like, could you see my video, Auntie?
Yeah.
Yeah, so like talas consist of 7, and the basic tala is called Adi tala. So that is called like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like, sorry, 7 and 8 would come.
Can I tell the question?
Basically, the Aditala is like the comfortablest tala because all the swarams in basics in Carnatic are 8 swaras. So we use in the basics we use actually Aditala. That's one
Okay.
of the tala.
Okay.
Can I tell all the 7 talas?
Yes, Deepashri.
Dhruva tala, Matya tala, Rupaka tala,
Jambatala,
Sampatala, Triputatala, Attatala, Ekatala.
Very good. Fine. So, like the similar way in Hindustani music, we have 10 talas. Right? Next. Jai Jayanti is the raga of. What is Jai Jayanti? It's a raga. So, it is a raga of what?
Yeah, I think Jai Jayanti is the raga of Hindustan music.
No, it is a sub raga of Paramela Prabeshak raga. Okay, so all these facts are new to me also. When I was searching for the questions, no, I also learned all these things newly. Right? So the next one, in which raga Bhageshwari and Rageshwari, both ragas are used? I mean, basically this raga is the combination of both Bhageshwari and Rageshwari. Yes, children, any guesses? Malgunji. So in this raga only, both these ragas are combined. Okay. So the next one. How many shlokas are mentioned in Natya Shastra? In Natya Shastra, I guess these you must have learned, right? How many shlokas are mentioned in Natya Shastra? Yes.
6,000 shlokas are there in Natya Shastra.
4,726. Yeah, 4,726 shlokas are there in Natya Shastra. Okay, so the next one. A certain cycle tune that indicates the beats, stress, and cadences of the tabla is. In tabla instrument, a certain cycle tune is there which indicates the beats, stress, and cadences of the tabla.
Nagma.
Exactly, right answer. Lekna told, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Lekna, correct answer. So the next one. Maihar band is established by, we have various musical band. So Maihar is one of the band. It was established by.
Yeah, it's Baba Alauddin Khan.
Yes, exactly. Alauddin. I have given the single name. So Baba Alauddin Khan. So he only established the Maihar band actually. So the last and the final question. What does musicology means? I mean, we have various terms like biology, all these things like that. What does musicology means? What does it refers to?
Musicology means the study of music.
The
Like
study
when
of music.
biology comes, like the studies of plants, musicology is the
Study of music.
like the study of music we do.
Okay, later you want to tell something?
Yeah. So basically, it's like only the theoretical part, like because we cannot study all the basics whatever we sing. So it's only the theoretical part of like the learning of music in a theoretical way, the investigation or learning. Yeah.
Any other answers, kids? What, Deepashri?
No, it's like the study of music. We like biology, we study the plants. Physics, we study the atmosphere and all.
Okay. So as she told, it is the historical and theoretical investigation related to music. So that is called musicology. So historical and theoretical investigation. Fine. Thank you, kids. Thank you for your wonderful participation. I'll share the link in this WhatsApp so that you can have the questions with you. And hope everyone has enjoyed the session. And now I would like to invite Lakshmi Gayatri for giving the concluding speech on this session, Lakshmi. So how you felt, your suggestions are very important to us so that we can improvise our sessions.
Thank you so much for inviting me for this conclusion, Viveka and Surya Narmada. I think everyone can understand Tamil, or shall I go with English? English will do, right? Yeah, okay. So happy to see this kids' involvement, and it's a very good positivity and a startup for these kids. And really, they are very, very, very creative and very, they are very much involved in each and everything. And I think what I felt in this is it's a very divineful today. What Narmadaka said is exactly true. And the wordings, the expression, immediately on spot. I don't know the name of the girl who sang very well. Everyone sang well, and I should definitely appreciate parents actually, because whatever inborn qualities kids are having, parents are finding it. And moreover, I think nowadays parents are not compelling them to do that, do this, or anything like that. What kids are liking, and they understand the passion of the kids and doing it. And I should definitely say thank you for this Kovaisi Foundation for giving this beautiful opportunity. And what Sir said, it's a globalization, and we are getting more awareness about what all quality they have. And it was a wonderful performance from everyone. I'm so happy to be part of this Kovaisi Foundation. And very well, it was done very well. Thanks to each and everyone. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Thank you, Lakshmika, for giving a wonderful concluding speech.
Thank you so much.
I want to appreciate Lekna parents, okay, because they are wherever we can move away from our motherland and we can go somewhere and we can live wherever we want. But there also they are bringing back the culture to the kids. And even she can, if she wants to sing an English song, she will do. But at the same time, she is learning Carnatic. We are very happy to see that, and in near future we will be getting our persons all around the world, I think so that our culture will also go with us. And this platform, I think I want the people to make use of it, and you can show your talents, kids, and you can also inform this to your circle of friends, okay. And I want to hear more songs from Lekna afterwards. And I like your confidence, okay. I like your confidence and the way you express yourself. It's a very graceful, actually. It's very graceful, and your approach is very elegant too. I loved your speech, and actually I loved it. That is the thing. Not even like I loved it. Okay, so may God bless you all, and the participants from young kids. They have involved themselves as they are sitting in a circle. Okay, they didn't even think that it's a Zoom platform and we are somewhere and all. So this is like a chit chat, medium. Today we had this music by all the kids, and I love this session. And because I am an ardent music lover, so today I got a chance to hear or listen to your music. So in the coming days, I think Viveka, we can encourage kids in this way too. So the involvement is very good, and all have participated. And finally, we got a very good concluding remark from Lakshmi Gayatri from SG Studio. They are our creative skill partners. So I think we are moving ahead and moving positively to the next level. And I felt very happy at this session. And if Viveka, you want to conclude, you can have some concluding remarks and we can complete.
Sure, Mani. As you told, actually, I too actually loved the session, hearing all these songs from the kids, and it was really wonderful. And as I'm telling repeatedly in all the sessions, please share this with your friends, relatives, and everyone, so that everyone can make use of it and we can grow in a better way. Thank you.
Meghna, whether you want to say something, ma?
Nothing, Auntie. I'm just very thankful for you, Auntie, for telling. And also everyone thank you for also attending this session, because because from your valuable time you've attended this session and you've learned more about music.
Sure. And okay, and we will meet in another session with like an enjoy session like this. Really, I think from Debashri, we have started this program, and today we have reached to next heights, I think. So we will move forward like this. Okay, and I have to thank Viveka Sundar to prepare the quiz program. Really, it's a learning program for us. Actually, these 10 questions, we didn't know the answer, but now we are learning the things. That's one way. And for your information, kids, Viveka will also sing. Actually, yes, she used to sing some songs, but today I don't know whether she's going to do it or not. But she's also a singer.
Some other day, today, all the kids have performed wonderfully, so I don't want to damage my kid.
Okay. And that we can have for ourselves.
Thank you, everyone.
Oh, so we can wind up here and we can meet another session. Okay, thank you. End பண்றமா?